We're gonna make up, this isn't pancake batter. This is plaster Paris? No, joint compound. We're not talking about the joints that you smoke. Just gonna get a little water on there. There's the water. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna spatulize it. So we got a little spatchy, smushy. Oops, what happened there? Squirt it right out. I don't know if we want to put that down the drain. So what consistency are you trying to get it into? Kind of muddy?
Yeah, maybe.
Do we need a little bit more in there?
Yeah.
You mad at me? She's very delicate with her water. So you have to have patience and go very slowly, as you can see, till you get the exact right consistency. Getting close. And just so you can see what the name of this is, over here, here's what we got. It's Easy Sand 45. And we've had it for a while. And this is just joint compound, right?
Yeah.
You can buy this at Home Depot. Looking good. Are we almost there?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. Now you're going to see the application of it.
You can hold the flashlight while I do it, just to make sure I can see.
Absolutely.
It properly.
I'm on that. I got the flashlight right here. Ready to go. Okay, here we go. Turn on the flashlight, and this is what we're gonna do. Can you see good?
Yeah. I don't have a,
Just smush it in.
yeah, I don't have a,
Small enough.
yeah.
You know, it's way up. Nobody can see it.
No, it doesn't, I don't care about that. I just can't get it to where I want it.
'About halfway. Oh shoot. That's all right.
Can you put it more over here?
Over here. this way?
Light, no light.
Like that?
Yeah.
Pull it back so you can get a bit more view. How's that? I mean, are we gonna make it?
Yeah.
You need exactly enough. Just enough. Every little bit out. No? I think you might have enough though.
Well, I don't have enough for, get that to stay.
Just get that one hole back there.
I can build that up. Make a little more and just shove that up in there.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
See, there's nothing holding that. That's the bump part. Nothing.
Oh, I see you coming all the way up to the front.
There's just nothing in the hole. It's empty. So nothing to hold it up with.
There's no mesh that covers it?
Yes, but it's just going up into the hole.
So is it all smushed in underneath?
Yep. See if that dries enough. It should, unless it falls down. We'll see.
All right, do you think it's good?
I think so.
This one over here's got a hole over here,
A hole where?
right in the corner.
That's not really a hole.
I mean, it's like you can see darkness.
That's it.
All right, excellent. Job well done. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, good.